Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done in a very long time, but I was just interested in the FabFitFun subscription box again because I'm like, you know what? I used to be so into these and then I just kind of like fell off and just didn't care about them anymore, and now I'm just like, you know what? Let's see if these are still as good as I remembered. So we're going to do some spoilers for their winter 2023 box. So I'm just curious, okay? And plus it's helpful for you guys to get my opinion on things whenever, you know, you guys are doing your choices and all of that. So anyways, if you are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, especially if you're already watching this video. It would mean a lot. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for FabFitFun choice customization number 1, our very first product here is from Laneige, which is interesting. Makeup first, okay. It has a $45 value and it says a hardworking serum is an important skincare staple in the winter months to ensure that your skin remains hydrated, glowing, and healthy. The serum instantly replenishes moisture thanks to the soft melting formula that seeps into the skin to instantly boost hydration and firm appearance. Love that so much. Laneige is amazing. Love it. Honestly, I don't know what these spoilers are. I just know that they're all here. But so far we're off to a good start and I really like Laneige, so cool. Definitely on theme with winter. Ooh, okay, this next one is so exciting. So this is from the brand, insert name here. This is the Insert Waves here, which is $72 value. It's a waiver. I love my waiver I got from Amazon. It's so good. But this is like a name brand, I guess, and you're gonna get a FabFitFun. If you want a hair waiver, because you guys, a lot of people are like, how do you get your hair to look like wavy? And I use one of these. So if you've been wanting that and you don't see anything else that you see is a good choice or whatever, I would pick this. I love the hair waiver. It just is bomb.com, okay? So it says beachy waves aren't just reserved for summer. This hot AF choice is a must for your hair tool collection. I agree. Creating gorgeous waves with minimal damage thanks to the tourmaline ceramic glaze. It also combats frizz, flyaways, and static, so your looks will be looking extra smooth and healthy all day long. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my god, this one's a good one too. Okay, I remember, this is why I hated FabFitFun. I remember like the first like 3 categories or something, or even like the first 2, or just the first one had all the good stuff. You're like, I want to pick everything. I just want my entire box to be these categories. Of course, we have amazing back to back. I was actually on the hunt at TJ Maxx for a bag that looked just like this, but with like spikes, but I haven't found it yet, but I've seen them on the TikTok. So this is a Rebecca Minkoff quilted studded crossbody, a $59 value. Wow. These are really good. Okay. It's the first time we're seeing Rebecca Minkoff in this box. And we have major heart eyes for this crossbody. It's the perfect everyday bag with enough room to carry all your must-haves, but small enough that you'll want to bring it along with you everywhere. This really is. Like, it's a side bag. It's perfect. And it's cute, and it's like, it's so edgy and like so fall and winter because it's black, and it also has the studs, which just makes it better, and it's black, so it matches everything. Great choice. Okay, next. Oh, this is equally as cute, but you can get something like this at TJ Maxx, like always. They always have bags like this, so I'm just like, okay, underwhelming. It's a $98 value. You can get these really cheap at TJ Maxx if you don't want this to be your choice, but you really want this. Just know TJ Maxx has ones just like this for really cheap. So this is the Amber Seats Stella Crystal Bag. $98 value. So the choice is crystal clear when it comes to which bag you're taking along with you to all your holiday parties. This one, of course. This versatile, sparkly, shiny glam bag is definitely a head turner. Wear it over your shoulder or use it as a clutch. Either way, it's definitely chic level 100. Cool, cool, cool. Next we have a robe. That's giving winter. This is the Splendid Velour Robe. They have them in the size small, medium, large, extra large, and plus, which is a $64 value. The only thing that's not giving winter to me is the fact that it's a short robe. I don't like short robes. I like my robes to be floor length, so I am warm and toasty. My legs aren't cold. This kind of more screams like a summer robe, really, versus than like a winter robe, but it's fine. It's fine. There's a lot of people who prefer these. So another staple piece synonymous with winter is a comfy robe. When we say comfy, this Splendid Velour Robe is top of mind. Made from soft stretch velour fit fabric, it's the best choice when it comes to lounging and relaxing all season long. It's cute, it's comfy, it's cozy. We love that. Next we have from Haps the votive set for $45. So these are like candles. We swear by candle therapy, and this set proves that it's a real thing. The reusable, refillable ceramic vessel sets these candles apart from the rest. Change out the candle within the vessel for a new scent to fit any vibe you're going for. This choice comes with 3 scents: drunk text with hints of jasmine and sandalwood, middle seat with hints of rose and musk, and lucky hit with scents of vanilla and cloves. So basically it's like, these look small, so I think it's just you get the candles and the little thing it sits in, so it looks nice always, which I do appreciate. I have seen where people are taking like those like molds and making their own like candle things where they have them in concrete, like their own concrete molds. People are doing that and it's so cute. I do love that. It's cute. I love it, love it, love it. We also have, wow, these spoilers just keep going, don't they? This is from Free People. I love Free People. They're also very expensive. This is the Fringe Throw Blanket, a $78 value. It says winter equals blankets. We don't make the rules, but we do follow them, which is why this Free People Fringe Throw Blanket is making its way to our winter boxes. The unexpected pop of color makes it the perfect accent piece year round, especially when you want to brighten your space during the colder months. This is super cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's cute. I don't know what else to say other than it's like so cute. Gosh, okay, we still have a few more spoilers for customization number 1. See, this is, I'm telling you, this is going to be the theme. There's so much in customization number 1 that you're going to want, and then it's like, you're going to dwindle down and you're like, I don't want to pick any of these. Let's go back to customization 1. Can I pick one of those? So this is a Macy Blackwell tiered app tray for $45. Super cute. We're serving apps and double takes this holiday season. When your friends and fam see this eye-catching centerpiece that shows off your holiday hosting skills, proudly display delicious treats, apps, cheese, fruits, and veggies, and more. I do actually really like the fact that this tray is so like usable for like especially small spaces. You don't know where you're going, like when you're going places and you're like the one bringing the like the cootery board, you know what I'm saying? It's 2-tiered, so it's a space saver. It could also like be a spice rack if you want it to, you know? It's cute. I love it. Love that for us. Then we have Commodity Milk Expressive, which is a $75 value. At first I thought this was milk makeup, but it's not. The perfect comfort scent. This smooth fragrance is both creamy and calming. Cold milk offsets the other warmer elements like marshmallow and mahogany. It takes you through a unique journey, and the unisex scent makes this a perfect gift for anyone in your life. Okay, so it's like a perfume or whatever. So I love that. There's a lot of like things in here. It's like, it's not just all this one and like a hint of this. There's so many different choices in here. This is gonna be a hard one, you guys. Like, I can't wait to tell you what I would pick and what my second and third choice would be, but like, there's a lot, and there's 2 more left. So we have from Fenty Skin, Watch Your Tone 5% niacinamide dark spot serum with vitamin C, which is a $42 value. You'll need to see it to believe it. The skincare staple simultaneously reduces dark spots and fades discoloration while brightening your skin thanks to the Dream Team ingredients: niacinamide, vitamin C, licorice root extract, and Barbados cherry. After 1 week, you'll see a visible difference. Cool. And then lastly from Elemis, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is a $93 value. This one I'm like rolling my eyes because I have seen this specific product in so many subscription boxes for years. It's either a full size, it's a sample size, it's in all of these different subscription boxes. I'm like, I'm so tired of seeing this product. But if you've had it and you love it and you need a refill, here you go. So this award-winning cream is ultra light while providing powerful hydration and moisture to dry skin. Marine and plant additives reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles while helping skin look firmer and more rejuvenated. That's all the spoilers, you guys. So that's a loud truck. Rude. Okay, so if I had to pick anything for my personal like taste, I would go number 1, Rebecca Minkoff Quilted Studded Crossbody. Mostly because I don't need a robe, I have a hair waver, I don't need any skincare or makeup, you know, I would go with that. My second choice would definitely be the Free People throw blanket because I am a throw blanket whore. I have to have them. If I'm on the couch, I have a blanket. If I'm in my chair, I have a blanket. That's it. I have to have a blanket. And then my third choice, honestly, would probably be the Commodity Milk Expressive, just because the scent sounded amazing and gave like a fall, winter like vibe because it's like marshmallow and mahogany. That's just gonna smell so good. I want to see what that smells like. That's what I would pick. So what would you pick down below? What are you going to pick? What are your other choices if like the first choice sells out? You know, potato. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here watching. I will see you in my next spoiler customization video. Bye.